Hello everyone, my name is Murat Uyghur. I'm based in Finland. I'm ethnic Uyghur from East Turkestan. Both my parents are detained in a concentration camp in East Turkestan. My mother, since April 2017, detained in a concentration camp in Turpan City. My father, Seth Niazgulpur, detained since January 2018. I don't know any further information about them. I don't know whether they're alive or something bad happened to them. I'm creating and promoting awareness of the situation in East Turkestan. There are over 3 million Uyghur Muslims are detained in concentration camp just because their ethnic and religious identities. It's possible they are undergoing a genocide. I don't want my parents become a victim of a genocide of 21st century. Since I start my campaign, lots of international media report about the issue, and I've been threatened by various authorities. We are really afraid, and our Finnish friends says it's better during the investigation we stay in somewhere safe. Now we are staying in the middle of a forest for our safety. Please stand up for us. Please stand up for yourself. Who are Uyghur? I am Uyghur. Thank you.